This question says, find the approximate height of a pile of 36 notebooks, each 0.47 centimeters. So that is, if you have a pile of 36 notebooks and each of those books has a height of 0.47, we have to find how tall that pile is going to be. So let's see the solution. In order to find the height, we have to multiply the number of books by the height of each book. But to get the approximate value, we approximate each of these numbers. So let's approximate 36. 36 is approximately 40. 6 means we round up. And in the case of 0.47, this is approximately 0.5 to one significant figure. Now let's find the value. So we have to multiply 40 multiplied by 0.5. To make this easy, we make them into fractions. So that is, we have 40 over 1 multiplied by 0.5 as a fraction will give us 5 over 10. Now we can of course break this down. So we would have 40 over 1 multiplied by now 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So 1 over 2. And this would give us 40 times 1, 40. And then 1 times 2 will give us 2. And our final answer would be 40 divided by 2, which is 20. So we should get 20 centimeters at least. That's the solution to this problem. Thank you.